3 24s in the back seat. Finally time to shine. Golly, that thing's crazy. This is the first time I'm seeing them. Ooh, them things look hard. Oh my God. Gotta turn the traction off, y'all. I was gonna try to do a donut right here. I really was. He smoked the whole shop out today. That is nuts. Ew, with the oohs and the ahs. Oh my gosh. Jeez, look at them daddy-os. The big fat F right there. We ain't playing rushed or rolls. Ooh, look at the F's. Ooh, look at the F's on there. Cool. Oh yeah, that's hard. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at this right here. Going yay, man. We got the freaking Hellcat right here too. Ooh wee. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where our guy Tyrone came down and picked up his first place prize, his 2020, not ours no more, but his new 2022 Ford F350, along with his 2020 CVO Street Glide, man. He's probably just about getting back to the West Coast right now. Probably not quite home yet. Maybe about 5 hours or so to go. We're going to shoot him a text and call in a little bit to check on him and see how he's doing. Meanwhile, man, it is the next day here. We are back in the garage, man. We are keeping this show on the road now. We got most of the motorcycles situated. I'm actually waiting for my truck to get here so I can freaking load that blue Road King up, take that to the shop down the street so they can just finish everything off. And then we'll be finishing off this yellow Road Glide here. But both of those bikes are getting delivered next week, so I'm not really pressured to do them this week, man. So today we're actually gonna be focusing on the Hellcat, man. You guys seen we picked up this Hellcat about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, man. And literally the first day we took it out, we freaking busted tire and was like riding on rims. So now, man, we actually been trying to find some wheels and all that stuff. Not only find some wheels, but we found out that this car has like wheel locks and stuff on the rims, of course. So getting these things off is gonna be a task, but I actually went up to Omar's and picked up some freaking new wheels for this thing, man. Some brand new 24-inch Forgiatos, man. And I can't wait to check them out here with you guys first, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. It's time to go. Yay. I'm actually about to figure out how we can get these wheel locks off because we don't have a wheel lock for them. So we got to figure out how we can get them off. And then not only once we get them off, we can switch the wheels out, man. So this should be a hell of a day, a nice day if we complete the task and get it all situated. It can all be so easy, but you know, it's always the little stuff that takes the most time, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win my 2022 Road Glide CVO in the steel blue, man, it is up for grabs right now, man. $25 can win you that CVO Road Glide, the brand new 2022 thing. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Movies Only Everything Regular patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We're trying to get this thing away by Christmas, man, so get in now. Don't wait to the end. It is almost your time to shine. This thing is limited, so now is the time, man. You guys know what to do. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. $25 can win you the Road Glide CVO in the blue steel, man. It's your time to shine. You guys already know what time it is, but it's time to get this Hellcat together and situated, man. Let's see what we got rocking, though, gang. Alrighty, we got the big daddies over here. I don't know if y'all can see them. We're gonna wait to reveal them, but we gotta see if we can get these freaking wheel locks off this car, man. That's literally the only thing holding us up right now. Everything else would have been done and in motion if we had the wheel locks, because we can't even get that rim on the other side off to go change that tire, man. So we got to get this thing situated. Let's see if we can pull this thing out, or at least find a screw that'll go over the wheel lock, because I was looking online and it said that if you don't have a wheel lock, you pretty much got to get like a 12-point type of bolt, put it in there, and make sure it's a little bit smaller than this so you can hammer it on there, and then that should grab it and turn it around. So I'm hoping that works. We're gonna check it out and try and see what we can do. So luckily, we just got a brand new tool set. We got some 12-pointers up here, man. So we're gonna see if one of these fits up in here. I don't even think we got one long enough to, but we definitely gonna try and see what's up. We might have to get an extension. Hold up. All right, so we actually found one that works. Not works, but we can hammer it on there enough. quickly realized that's not gonna work, man. So I'm actually about to pull this thing out. We already called a tow truck for the last time. We got our wheels there. I'll show you guys once we get there so we don't have to like scratch them on the way there. But we're gonna have a tow truck come pick this thing up. We're gonna go to the wheel shop, tire shop. Honestly, look at her rolling and swollen. They riding and sliding today out here. Look, rollerblading and all. It's a movie. Y'all see what's going? Y'all see what's going on? It's up. But yeah, man, we out here going yeah. I'm trying to go rollerblade too. Yes, sir. But y'all see what's going on, man. We about to pull this thing out, get the Lambo out the way. I probably got to take the stuff out this truck right here because my Silverado still ain't back yet, man. So I probably got to take this stuff out, load the wheels in here, and then we can also go get some gas and stuff in this truck. Probably clean it up along the way, man. So we'll see. Let's pull this Hellcat and stuff out though first. But first, let's get some cold start action. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Yes, I know my cold starts suck. I'm still getting used to it, man, but we're about to get in here, start the Hellcat up. Pull this thing out. It's too freaking close to even get back there. So, we in here. Big Hellcat. Big Hellcat on the Hellcat. No, you ain't sliding with the tool, then you want me. Now you ain't me. Alrighty, got this thing finally pulled back out. I ain't seen what this thing looked like in forever. Whew, that black is lovely. That black is definitely lovely. This thing is hitting. Oh, we got all the oohs and the eyes. Y'all see this, man? Look at the tire on this thing, man. The tire on this thing is whoop-de-doo. But y'all see it here first. We about to get this thing going. I can't wait. Look at this. Got all the oohs and the ahs. Ooh, I can't wait, man. I'm trying to go yay. Look at this thing. These seats is just so freaking comfortable. Number 499 of 501, of course. Y'all see what it is, though. Got them big daddy-os on there squatting. Now, these rims is cool. But what we about to do is just something a whole lot more spectacular, man. I'm telling you, it's time to go up just like that. We got her all loaded up. I ain't gonna hold you. This Hellcat is way bigger than like any other car I got literally on the inside. It's 220, actually it's 324s in the back seat. 3 24-inch wheels in the back seat, one in the trunk. We almost could have put 2 in the trunk. That's the crazy part. Literally 24s, 3 of them in the back seat, man. This is a huge car. I ain't gonna hold you. It's time to go to Chewy's. I had a tow driver pick this thing up and switch these wheels out, man. I can't wait. This thing look good now, but it's about to look great in a minute. Alrighty, guys. I done gave the keys to the tow truck driver. He done already loaded this thing up. So I'm trying to see if I should just ride with him and leave my car and just wait there. See, you got that thing strapped up, quick, fast, and in a hurry. Alrighty, guys, we got the car loaded up and Alrighty, guys, we got the car loaded up and everything. We're actually pulling up to the tire shop and stuff right now. We're about to see if they can get these wheel locks off for us. If they can, that'll be freaking great, man. So let's see what's up. So y'all see where we at, man. We just pulled up to Chewy's or Joey. Got that joint. Got that joint, man. Yes, sir. It's finally time to shine. Can't wait. Cannot wait, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We up here at Chewy's. About to get this thing right. I already paid it too. You should see it. Okay. For sure. Yeah, no worries. Hey, same to you, man. Enjoy, man. Hey, appreciate you, man. Yes, y'all see what's going on. We got that thing offloaded. We got it up here at the tire shop, man. It is timely. It is finally time to go. Yeah. Y'all see this thing is riding on rims as well. Literally, all these things, man. Ooh, we got the daddy O's over here. Golly.
They're nice.
That thing's crazy. This is the first time I'm seeing them.
Yeah.
I haven't seen them. This is crazy, man. Y'all see? Yeah, rose gold. Them things look hard, man. Y'all see what it is for the Big Daddy himself. Yes, sir. It's a movie, man. We about to mount them things up, get it ready. Here, you wanna
Yeah, I got it. So you wanted to break the locks and put those on, right?
Yep.
Pretty much. Okay.
And then I got the bolts for that right there in the door. The bolts for the new wheels.
You have new locks? You don't
No,
want new locks?
I don't have new locks, but if you got some, I'll buy them.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see what it is. Them Roll Gold Daddies is going on there. Ooh, them things look hard. What you think? They look nice? Yeah, you think so? Man, good looking. This thing is freaking sick. Oh my God, I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't even know, man. They about to pull that thing up in here and we're gonna get it cracky on. Big Daddy's right there. With the big F that float. Golly. That's nuts. So do y'all fix rims and stuff here too?
Yeah, it just depends. You know,
So them right there, they all got like a slow leak.
Okay. Have you checked them where it's leaking at?
No, I haven't even checked it honestly.
I'll check them. Most likely it's the seal.
Yeah. I need them all like resealed because I'm trying to find another car to put them on.
Okay.
Ooh, them things look hard. Oh my God. That looks crazy. Ew, yeah, you did that. I like that, man. That thing is so hard. Golly. Look at the F's on here, y'all. Rose Gold Daddy for the big. Oh, they just float. They don't even spin. They just float. They stay in place. Y'all see what's going on though. All right, man. Y'all know we about to get new wheels, new Forgies, and all that for the Hellcat, man. So you know we got to go out in style, man. I got the Hellcat back there. I already went crazy, but it wasn't recorded, man. So you guys know I got to do it again, man. Let's check it out. Got to turn the traction off, y'all. Sound like a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Your boy, Mr. Everything Regular himself, man, live in the flesh, man. Y'all about to see the gold Forgies on this thing. Appreciate you, gang. Y'all see the gold Forgies in there, man. We about to throw them on there right now, man. So you know we have to go out in style and shut it down, man. Let's see what's up next, man. Appreciate you, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is, man. We got that thing on fire right now, baby bond. Whoo. Yes, sir. Looking good, but the about to look even better. So you like that? Yeah. Hey, man, y'all want to come turn up, man? Y'all better come pull up on my guy, man. He gonna get you right, fresh new tires and all that, man. Y'all see what's going on? We ain't playing. It's a movie. Yeah. Y'all see what it is, man. The marks though. We did a few burnouts, man. My camera was tripping at first. We did a few burnouts. I was gonna try to do a donut right here. I really was. Y'all see what's going on, man. All the oohs and ahs. I ain't playing with y'all. Come on, gang. We up here at Chewy's getting cracking. I'm about to get out the Lambo and hop in the Hellcat, man. Y'all see what's going on with the big daddy F things over here. Rose Gold. We smoked the whole shop out today. That is nuts. Man. Y'all see what it is. Yes, sir. Got the squats on there. They got the squats on there. The other wheels seemed like they was a little bit fatter. Maybe just cause it's risen up. Ooh. I ain't gonna hold you. That black and gold kind of look nice. Yes, sir. Rose Gold Daddy O's in that thing, man. It's a movie. We gonna have to go home and watch this now. We definitely gonna go home and have to watch him. I can't wait. Alrighty, man. They done finally finished putting the wheels on the car. Let's check it out here first with you guys, man. Ew, Ew, with the oohs and the ahs. Oh my god. Jeez, look at them daddy-os. With a big fat F right there. We ain't playing. Big fat one now. I ain't gonna hold you. The black was looking good with the brushed, but this rose gold, I feel like the black got to go, man. The black gotta go quick, fast, and in a hurry, man. So now we gotta focus on getting the wrap. Oh, this thing is nice. That thing is nice. We gotta get this bumper intact. Get that thing snagged in. Might even get it painted up. But daddy O's on there, man. That thing is freaking sick. That thing is freaking sick, man. Y'all see what it is. What y'all think? Brushed or rolls?
Ready?
Brushed or rolls? Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. It's time to go, yay. Hellcat content is coming back. It's time to go home, wash this thing up, and get it situated, man. It's a movie. Y'all know the man with the plan himself got us right today. Hey, man, I definitely appreciate you, man.
Sir, whatever you need, we're here, okay?
Hey, man, y'all ever in Houston need any wheel service, any tire service, anywhere, let them know where to come to, man.
Choose Wheel and Tire, we're open every day.
Every day of the week, man. Y'all see
Sundays.
where we at. Highway 6, man. It's a movie, man. He got the big F things on me for me right there. Ew, I can't wait, man. I'm super excited now. I gotta go home and wash this thing up. It's been in the garage for literally like 2 weeks, so it's dusty as hell right now, but I can't wait. We gotta go to the house and get it going. They tossing them things up in there. Throw that thing on back, baby, bye. Ooh, look at them F's. Ooh, look at the F's on there. That thing looks so cold. Golly. Big F's. Ew, them things look cold. Yeah, we need a new wrap fast, man. Y'all let me know what color I should go in the comments below right now. Jeez. That thing cool. Oh yeah, that's hard. That's hard. Yeah. Yeah, I did. You like them? Appreciate it, thank you. Golly, look at this thing, man. This thing looks freaking sick. Oh my God, I think the sun just did it for me. Ooh-wee. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at this right here. That thing looks so fire. Golly. Yeah, that thing cold, man. I think I'm actually liking the black. I think I'm actually liking the black, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We up here at Chewy's going yay, man. We got the freaking Hellcat right here too. Ooh wee. Yeah. This thing look cold, man. What y'all think? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. We about to slide in this thing. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, we finally got the Forgies on a freaking cat, man. We got that thing back in traffic. We went sliding out yesterday, man. It was so fun. Happy to be back in the car, man. I can't wait to take that thing out today and go get some slide time in, man. But in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2022 CVO Road Glide back there, man, you know that thing is up for grabs right now. $25 can win you that CVO Road Glide in the blue steel. Yes, man, the one and only brand new thing, man. From me to you, man, all it takes is some support. And you never know, man, we could just be pulling up to your door right before Christmas, getting this thing delivered to you. But we can't do that without your support, man. So head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a movies only patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, we did have a hell of a day in the Hellcat. Got that thing cleaned up. Got the freaking Silverado cleaned up. Literally a whole bunch of little stuff done, man. So I'm excited about that. The winner should be here tomorrow picking up his truck and his bike. So we just trying to get the last little things done today. So when he comes tomorrow, it's gonna be like problem free and we'll be good to go, man. So in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.